Before buying Pressable for your web hosting needs, there are a few key things you should know to make sure it's the right choice for you. Compared to other hosting services, Pressable offers solid features, but there are some important details that might make or break your decision. First, Pressable is known for its focus on WordPress hosting. If you're running a WordPress site, it's one of the best options available with managed hosting, but it's not as versatile when compared to other platforms that offer support for a wider range of website builders and technologies. Next thing, Pressable's pricing may seem a bit higher than some of its competitors. While it does offer top-tier managed WordPress hosting, cheaper options like Bluehost or HostGator might give you more bang for your buck if you're on a tight budget. Pressable does offer great performance, but it's more for businesses or users who want to avoid managing their hosting setup. The third thing is the user interface. Pressable has a clean, intuitive dashboard, making it easy for beginners to navigate. However, it might lack some of the customization options and flexibility you find with platforms like SiteGround or A2 Hosting. If you want more granular control over your hosting environment, those competitors might serve you better. Next, Pressable's support is strong, especially with their WordPress-specific knowledge base and live chat. However, while support is responsive, it might not always be as fast as larger competitors like SiteGround, which offer 24/7 phone support in addition to chat. The fifth thing is scalability. Pressable offers scalability with higher tier plans, but they're more focused on providing a seamless experience for WordPress sites. If you're running an e-commerce site or expecting high traffic growth, you might find better scalability with services like Kinsta or WP Engine. Next, Pressable's uptime is solid, averaging around 99.9%. However, competitors like SiteGround or Bluehost often promise higher uptime rates and might have a more established reputation when it comes to reliability. If uptime is your top priority, you might want to do a deeper dive into those alternatives. The seventh thing is speed. Pressable provides good performance with its optimized WordPress hosting. The speeds are impressive, but other competitors, such as WP Engine, may provide slightly better results in terms of site load times due to their custom configurations. The eighth thing is their storage options. While Pressable offers generous storage on higher plans, their entry-level plans are limited in this regard. Other hosts like A2 Hosting provide more storage at lower price points, which could be crucial depending on the size of your website. Next thing, Pressable includes free backups on all plans, which is a nice perk. However, competitors like Kinsta offer automated daily backups on higher tier plans, which might be more reliable, especially for larger websites with a lot of content. The 10th thing to consider is security. Pressable has standard security features like free SSL certificates and automatic updates, but some hosts like SiteGround offer additional layers of protection with tools like firewall protection and proactive malware scanning at no extra cost. 11th, Pressable's Content Delivery Network, CDN, is included for faster load times, but if you're looking for an even more robust CDN solution, some alternatives like Cloudways provide integration with multiple CDN options for enhanced performance. Finally, while Pressable offers a great user experience for WordPress hosting, it's important to note that its customer base is generally smaller businesses or those looking for a hassle-free, premium WordPress hosting experience. If you're looking for a better option that fits a broader range of needs or budget, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free. It offers a similar level of reliability and performance with more flexibility and features that might work better for your site.